got off of work. I'm gonna go and have some lunch. It's very windy today, but it's still a nice day. Hey guys, so I just went to Subway. I just had a veggie delight sandwich. So I just had all veggies in there. And then I just came from Safeway, so I'm just waiting for my ride right now. I did some shopping at Safeway. And I got Nevaeh's food. This is the food that Nevaeh eats. It's the ID low fat. She's been on this food for over a year already, and it's been very good. She likes it. I don't have to mix anything else with it. And so this one is prescribed. This one is about $50 for this 8-pound bag, but it's worth it because she eats it, you know. For a long time I couldn't find, for a long time when she was little, I couldn't find a dog food that she likes. And I also bought her, I know this is not good, but sometimes it's good to have treats, right? And she loves that sort of stuff. So yeah, so finally I found a dog food that she likes, and I'll just purchase it because the other times she didn't eat it at all. Yeah, and I'm just gonna do a small grocery haul when I get home. It's not the best things, but I just thought I'd get us some snacks. Like when we're going to work, we have grab and go, you know, like a Pop-Tart or something like that. I know it's not the best, but I got those. Alrighty guys, so I did a little grocery haul. I'm just gonna share it with you guys. I bought, okay, this is a junk food haul, okay? Because I got a lot of junk food. Why not? The next one will be good food, okay guys? So I went to Safeway and I spent like 45 minutes walking around. I got this, like, you know, in case like in the mornings when I need something to eat, this would be good. So this is strawberry and cream cheese. And of course I got some Cool Whip for my coffee. And then I got some of this biscuit, sausage biscuit. It's 10 count. It's a snack size. So this is good like for in the mornings. Fruits, I got 2 pears. I got celery. I'm gonna finish up my stew. And then I'll film that as well. Got some carrots, gonna give Nevaeh some of that. I got 2 oranges. I got 2 peaches. I'm gonna eat one of the peaches. And then I did, this was on sale. It is grass-fed beef. So I think it was about $7. Hopefully it was correct. And then I got another one of these. So these will be going into the freezer. So that's kind of good, the grass-fed. And I got 2 pork chops. It looks like it says $4.43 for 2 of them. So I thought that was a good deal. Tano doesn't eat pork, but I do. So some days when I want, you know, pork chop, I will eat that. And I got this, just in case there's days when we just came home from work and didn't take nothing out. This is, it's okay. So it's the Salisbury steaks. It's not my favorite, but I just bought it because I used to eat it before. So, you know, just bring back the memories of before time. And then, hold on, what's going on here? Okay. Okay, I guess I gotta make room for those. And then I got some of these burritos. In case, you know, when we come home, there's nothing to eat. It's a fast fix here. You guys, so I got some. Oh, I got this for Nevaeh. I know this is another junk food. She's staring at me. You want some? Okay, sit down. She listens for this. Sit. Yep, she loves it. So we all got junk food. I got this. Gotta clean my stove. And then I got this was a good deal. It was for $2.99 for all of these onions. I got some achote. Thinking about making some patella stew. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for my stew today. I got this. It's a powder achote. Okay, so that's gonna go in my stew. I got tomato sauce. My sister Yvette claims this is the best one, so I love it too. So this reminds me of her. You know, when I was at work today, there was this lady in line. She was putting her head down and it looked like my sister. It really did. And yeah, it really looked like her. But anyways, I got this for my coffee creamer. This is the sugar-free. This is another one of my sister Yvette. She likes this one. Okay, and then we got some batteries from Long's. Okay, and then some more junk food. So I got these for Keanu and I. Strawberry Pop-Tarts. I know this is junk food for real. I'm not joking. And then I got some of this Fruity Pebbles. And then I got this Reese's Puffs. Me and my sister Yvette love this one here. It's so good. You guys gotta try it. I get another one like this. Is a double A. For my remote for upstairs TV. Yeah, but while I was waiting for my ride, this, I want to say, what is it? 65-year-old guy tried talking to me because I see him pass me, and then he's talking to me, trying to talk to me. And, you know, that's not my thing. I'm just out there waiting for my ride. I just finished shopping, finished work. I really didn't want to talk to nobody. He's trying to, you know, it's just like, shame on you. But it's just like he is wanting to pick up a girl that's younger and maybe meet once a week only. Like, really? If you knew me, you wouldn't even bother me because, you know, I would stab a bitch chivagado. I'm not joking. Yeah, but that was my afternoon. It was kind of like awkward, you know, like I don't really want to go out and meet people like that, especially if you're an older guy and trying to pick up younger girls. Really? But yeah, if I got her, I would stab a bitch. I tell you, I'm not joking. But anyways, I'm gonna go finish my stew. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do is take this out. Hold on, let's see. Let's do a little bit of, I'm gonna take out all these stuff. This is like the oil, yeah, from the meat. But I'm gonna keep this, look, it just comes out like that. So I got a roast in here that I cooked last night, and these are all the oil from it. So I'm gonna just use the broth. Just checking if I'm okay. So that's how it's looking, the broth now. I'm gonna put the meat onto my cutting board. So the meat is so tender, okay guys, because I cooked it a long time. I'm just putting that into my Instapot. Okay, so I'm using these little potatoes. I'm gonna rinse them off. And then I'm just gonna throw it into here. And put these in here. I'm just gonna use them all because it's not too much. I mean, I don't want to just leave like 3 in here. Sorry guys if this is like a glare. There we go. Okay. Okay, and then in my stew, I will be using this. Okay, so I am using the broth from the roast that I cooked last night. Stand by, sister. I was gonna use the whole thing in there. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna just throw all this in here. Okay, and I'm gonna use onion as well. I'm just gonna cut this. I'm gonna give Olivia a little piece of the carrot. Here you go, sis. Sister. Okay. And then I'm just gonna throw all these into the pot and then cook them. And then I'm gonna cut the meat up. There. She likes it. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up. I'm gonna go cut up the onion. I got some celery that I will be chopping up and throwing it into the stew as well. I love celery in my stew. It's really good. Okay, and then I am gonna put this 1 can of tomato sauce into my mixture. This shouldn't take too long because it's only the vegetables. I'm gonna mix that up real quick before I turn it on. Okay, watch out, Olivia. Watch out, sister. Move it. Okay, we're gonna just let that go. I'm gonna turn this on. Okay. So pressure cook. I just wanna make it custom. I'll just turn it on and then check on it to see when it's gonna be soft. So that's when that's when it's done, when it's all cooked. Alrighty guys, this is my stew from yesterday. So it's way better today. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I see you all in my next video. Aloha.